Saturday, April 22nd. And oof, I had some of those storms that came through the Midwest. Nothing like that, but some thunder boomers and some deluge. We need the rain, so that I can't complain about that. All right, brand new yarn. Got to tell you all about it. It's brand new yarn from Cascade. It's cotton. I have more cotton choices this spring and summer than I have ever had before. So get in a cotton mood. Get some cotton thoughts on your brains and start making some cotton shells and tops and lightweight sweaters and shawls and baby gifts and whatever. But anyway, this new one is called Cotton Socks. And they called it socks, thinking we would do it with in sock weights and make socks. The gauge is interesting. It's 24, which is sport, 24 all the way to 28. 28 gets into fingering, which is what we usually make socks out of. So I think it's a great weight. I'm very happy about that. So it's lightweight. It's not a DK. There are lots of options for this, which I'm very happy about. It is super, super soft. I mean, super soft. It is not mercerized. It doesn't have a sheen, but it is so cozy and soft. Get this. It's a machine wash, cold, and a tumble dry. What do you think? I don't know. It's pretty good. And guess what? It is $12.50 for 433 yards. 433 yards. $12.50. What? All right. It comes in 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 colors. You ready? White. Gorgeous. My favorite. The limey green, right? Then we have a beautiful olive. Very nice. I mean, think about the color work you could do with this thing. This is awesome. I wish I could tell you how literally soft and cozy this is. This is a beautiful blue. Then we have this nice teal, right? Then this kind of raspberry. Love it. Purple, of course, royal purple. Gorgeous color. Orange. Love this orange. A real pumpkin-y color. This is kind of an interesting red. It's a softer red. Very pretty. Then we have gold. Makes me happy. Then for all you neutral people, we have this beautiful cream, right? Then we have this sort of khaki or tan. Pale gray, lovely. Charcoal gray, perfect. And last but not least, black. Knit this one in broad daylight with a big lamp over your shoulder, but still, it's nice to have a black. All right, think about doing something in black and white. What? Amazing. So many color combos. Look at that teal and that orange together. What? Looking good. All right, I'm excited about it. Cotton sock. We might have some ideas by Saturday for 5th Saturday. So we, Brooke and Sandy and the whole team has been cranking out ideas and getting stuff together. So we've got a lot of fun stuff to show you on Saturday. Mark your calendars. Be there, right? Be there, the 29th, next Saturday. So fun. Lots of stuff's going to be going on. You're going to want to shop with us, right? And we're going to put stuff together for you, and you can call us. You're going to order. It's going to be awesome. All right. Woke up, rested well. It's all good. I think I'm back to normal. Happy to be home. Glad to be with you. Have a wonderful, prayerful, peaceful Sunday. And it was Earth Day today, which I remember as a child when they first started Earth Day. So anyway, how nice. We must take care of our Earth, right? Absolutely. try to do my part. All right. I'll see you on Monday. Have a great Sunday.